Imagine having a laptop that performed like it did when it was brand new and fast. The hardware never failed, and it was impossible to lose. Windows Virtual Desktop offers just that by providing a familiar Windows desktop and your favorite apps in the Microsoft Cloud. It's a seamless experience on any device with an internet connection. Lose or break a device, or it's stolen, and you can grab another one and pick up right where you left off. In any case, your data is secure because it's stored in the cloud, backed by Microsoft Security, not on your local device. Getting started is just 3 easy steps. First, install the Microsoft Remote Desktop app from your device's App Store. Second, subscribe to a workspace, which is simply a group of Windows desktops and apps that your IT department makes available to you. All you need is your work or school email address to discover your workspace. Once prompted, sign in with your work or school credentials. Told you it was easy. Now you're ready to start using your new virtual desktop. Collaborate in Microsoft Teams, access work or school files on the network, and use your favorite Office apps. Windows Virtual Desktop gives you the same secure experience you already know and love on any device. To learn more, see our friendly user guide.